Hello YouTube, it's Felicia. I'm going to take you around the she shed real quick to see what next thing we've got accomplished. This is going to be my bathroom. The plumbers came this past weekend and got it set up. So here my shower is going to be installed, a corner shower. I'm going to have a Bluetooth bath fan with Bluetooth speaker and LED light that's installed up there. I've got, since it's going to be the she shed, I've got a chandelier that my husband's going to put up there. I also have a 3 chandelier tier that's going to be put up there. So I think the hot water heater or something, yeah, hot water heater is going to be put up here, which today, I'm here today because the furnace guy, he's already been out and measured and going back to town to get what he needs because we're in the country, straight country, see, country, nothing, no houses, just country. This thing here is where the furnace is going to be put in the garage. This is the garage part I'm in. So that's that. The next step, once he gets his job done, they can come in and finish sheetrocking and insulating the attic. But my chandelier is in this room. There's no lights, so let's see. That's my chandelier. That's going to be over the vanity light. And then this is the chandelier light. It's going to be real pretty. And my fixtures. These are some of my cabinets, doors. Let's see what else. What else? The thermostat is going to be put over there. So the AC and the heat will hopefully be put up today and tomorrow. Hopefully he can get it all put up. Then again, they'll come back and put the sheetrock. And then I can finish deciding what I'm gonna get, which color I'm gonna go with for my walls, but it's definitely gonna be purple. And then for my floors, I'm gonna go with a stain. I want some kind of marble stain because I'm out here in the country. I don't want no carpet, none of that. So it's gonna be pretty. So I gotta take pictures now so my husband can send to the guy to stain it, because we're not gonna do any of that because it's with that acid and nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Nobody got time for it. So I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go in the house and do what's on my table because y'all know my videos are sparse. So let me try to get a video in real quick. Part 2, what's on my table, YouTube? What I have planned, sorry, just came in from the she shed and it's hot out there and girlfriend is hot. What's on my table right now? I saw a YouTube where this lady was doing a DIY project and I wanted to do it. She made a bucket hat out of neckties. So I went to the Goodwill, purchased some neckties. They didn't have many, so I grabbed pretty much what they had. So I think she said 6. I'm gonna try to link it to the to this video, but I'm trying to link it in there. I'll remember to do that. But I think she said 6. And I'm gonna try to do that today while I'm sitting here in the country waiting for the furnace guy to come and do what he has to do. And what else I want to do today is I've been watching videos over project zipper bags. So I brought I just brought some fabric. Nothing in particular, just some fabric to make some zipper bags. Just something to keep me occupied while I sit here and do absolutely nothing today. So that's what's on my table. Thanks, Zelda, for what's on my table. Hopefully I can come back. You know, I make videos, but the problem is uploading them. They don't get uploaded. Yeah, that's the problem. But I'm rambling, so let me turn on some YouTube and try to cool off real quick and get busy and do some things before the guy comes back or the cows come out. Well, we don't have cows, but we'll see deers, and last weekend I saw a coyote. No neighbors, so it's just me and the woods. So, busy time. So this is Felicia signing out. You have a wonderful, blessed day.